Hey everyone, Jared here with JDS Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate our sub-acrylic awards and paperweights. Now the first thing what we want to do is go over everything that you'll need to sublimate the acrylic awards and paperweights. The first thing is a heat conductive pad. The next thing you want to have is some heat tape, your transfer sheet, and your acrylic. Today I'll be doing the SAC 011. Now, when you do print your transfer sheet, you want to make sure that you do not mirror your text or anything in there. If you do mirror it, it's not going to face correctly, as you will be sublimating on the back of the acrylic. Next, we'll want to place our acrylic onto our transfer sheet, and to do so, we'll end up using that heat tape, and making sure that we line it up correctly. Just putting a few pieces on the side. Should be good to go. Alright, so the first thing what we want to do is layer our heat press. And layering it, we want to make sure that we have either butcher paper, Teflon sheet, anything on the bottom to protect your lower heat platen from getting ink on it. The next thing what we want to do is put down a couple layers of paper towel. I have 2 pieces here. That just kind of helps with even out the pressure on certain products, such as this acrylic. And next we want to make sure that we put the acrylic on the bottom, and then the back of it where we put our transfer on top, like so. And then we want to place our green heat conductive pad on top of the transfer sheet, and then another Teflon sheet on top of the green pad. We will be doing these at 400 degrees for 5 to 5.5 minutes. I'm going to do 5 minutes since it is a smaller piece. With a medium pressure. Since the acrylic is so thick, it's not as hot on the bottom, so I can handle it with my hands. Just tear off the transfer right away. We have a wide variety of acrylic products on our website, so be sure to check those out, because not all acrylics sublimate at the same time and temperature. So check out our how-to section when ordering your product. And if you have any other questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks for watching.